Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to enter a raw material requisition against a job order in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Let's proceed with generating a job order. You can choose whether the process is handled by an internal worker or an external party. Let's proceed by selecting an internal worker. Select the worker name and then enter the item to be produced along with its respective quantity and save the job order document. Let's proceed to the next entry, issue for processing first process. Select the worker name. Then select the process to be initiated and select the relevant job order from the list. As you can see, the job order has been retrieved. Let's save this document. Next, go to the raw material requisition against the job order, internal module. The raw material requisition slip is used by the processing department to request raw material as per their requirement against a job order. They can raise multiple requisitions as needed based on actual consumption at the production floor. Let's learn how to create this document. Select the worker and select the process to be initiated. Select the job order and the corresponding production issue. Then press the F8 key on the keyboard to calculate and retrieve the required raw materials. Next, click on Refresh. Select the raw material and click on Save. The system will fetch and display the raw materials linked to the selected job order. Now save the document. Next, go to Raw Material Issues Against Job Order, Internal Module. Select the worker name. Then select the process against which you want to issue the raw material. Then select the job order and corresponding production issue. Then click on Retrieve button and select RM requisition from the list. Select the relevant raw material requisition document and click on OK. Now click on Refresh. Select the raw material items and click OK. The raw material requisition document has been retrieved. Enter the raw material quantity to be issued against the requisition slip and save the document. You can also track raw material requisition details through the raw material requisition report. This report provides comprehensive visibility on the raw material requisition quantity requested, the quantity already issued against the requisition slip, and the balance quantity pending for issue.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.